Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding reading glasses is probably one of the most essential accessories for men who value clarity and convenience, especially as we age and our vision naturally changes. These aren't just any reading glasses, they are designed with portability and style in mind, allowing you to effortlessly slip them into your pocket or bag without worry. Imagine never having to search for your glasses again, always having a crisp, clear view of the world right when you need it, whether you're reading a menu in a dimly lit restaurant, deciphering fine print on a product label, or enjoying your favorite book on the go. This review will dive deep into what makes a pair of folding reading glasses truly stand out, ensuring you make an informed decision for your visual needs. Number 5. 7Plus 2-Pack Reading Glasses. Experience unparalleled clarity with our advanced reading glasses. Designed for both men and women, they offer a comfortable and precise viewing experience. Shield your eyes from harmful blue light emitted by digital screens. Reduce digital eye strain and fatigue, allowing for longer, more comfortable screen time. Enjoy outdoor activities without the harsh glare. These glasses effectively block UV rays, protecting your eyes from sun damage and improving visibility. Take them anywhere with ease. Their foldable design makes them incredibly portable, fitting perfectly into pockets or bags without taking up much space. Built for durability and comfort, they feature reliable spring hinges. This ensures a secure fit and long-lasting wear, adapting to your face shape. Look good while seeing clearly. These readers combine functionality with a sleek design, suitable for any occasion and complementing any style. What we like. This option offers excellent protection against digital eye strain. It blocks blue light and reduces UV glare, making it ideal for extended screen time. If you spend a lot of time on computers or phones, this is a great choice for eye comfort. What people say. They're small and lightweight, so I just keep them with me all the time. The clarity is actually really good and they work perfectly when I need them quickly. I also like the design, it looks simple but nice. Very compact and has a nice looking case. Their super case is durable and not cheap. The clarity is good with no problem seeing through them. They unfold and fold up with ease. The telescoping earpieces really make them a gem of a find and easy to use. The fact that they fold up into a case that will fit in the palm of your hand or in your pocket makes the functionality priceless. Also, the nose bridge does not press down in the wrong place and stop your nose up, they allow you to breathe really well. Number 4. BEDO Unisex Reading Glasses Stainless Flex 2.00. Discover the perfect blend of style and function with our new reading glasses. Designed for everyone, they offer exceptional comfort and clarity. Experience the durability of our stainless steel frame. The flexible design ensures a comfortable fit for all-day wear. With a precise 2.00 magnification, these readers provide clear and sharp vision. Enjoy your favorite books and tasks with ease. Crafted for both men and women, these glasses boast a timeless and versatile design. They complement any personal style effortlessly. Enjoy unparalleled comfort and crystal clear vision. These glasses are designed to enhance your reading experience without compromise. Built to last and designed to impress, they are the ideal accessory for your daily needs. Get yours today and see the difference. What we like. Experience superior durability and a comfortable fit with its stainless steel construction. The flex hinges ensure a secure and adaptable feel. If you need a pair that can withstand daily wear and tear and offers a consistently comfortable fit, this is the one for you. What people say. They fold slim and narrow, and the side pieces protect the lenses, so I can just slip them into a pocket and not have to carry a bag, or wear my glasses on my head. These have the earpieces swivel and fold over the lenses to protect the lenses. You can read the dashboard buttons and lights, but they do not get in the way of all your main and peripheral vision. They fold up nice and slim and fit in any handbag. I've got these in just about every room of my house, and more often than not there is a pair perched on my head. Number 3. GOOSEN Pocket Folding Reading Glasses. Introducing our new reading glasses, designed for ultimate portability. They fold neatly into a compact case, perfect for your pocket or purse. Keep your readers safe and sound with the included hard case. It's designed to protect them from scratches and damage, wherever you take them. These reading glasses are suitable for both men and women. Their versatile design complements any style. Protect your eyes from digital strain. These glasses feature advanced blue light filtering to reduce fatigue from screens. Experience a comfortable and secure fit with the durable spring hinge. They adjust to your face for all-day wear. Never be without your reading glasses again. Their folding design makes them the perfect companion for everyday tasks. What we like. These are designed for ultimate portability and convenience. The compact size and included hard case make them perfect for slipping into a pocket or purse. If you're always on the go and need reading glasses that are easy to carry and protect, consider this option. What people say. These glasses are very lightweight and comfortable to wear. The folding design makes them easy to carry in a pocket or purse. The lenses are clear and provide good magnification. Number 2. Success Eyewear Fashion Folding Readers. Discover the perfect blend of style and convenience with our latest reading glasses. Designed for both men and women, they offer exceptional clarity and comfort. These readers feature a fashionable design that complements any look. They are also conveniently foldable, making them easy to carry wherever you go. Each pair comes with a sophisticated leather case, providing protection and a touch of luxury. Keep your glasses safe and scratch-free in style. Experience crisp and clear vision for all your reading tasks. Whether it's a book or a menu, these glasses enhance your reading experience. Get a convenient 2-pack to keep a pair at home and another on the go. They are durable and designed for everyday wear. Choose Success Eyewear for reliable vision solutions. Enjoy enhanced reading with our thoughtfully designed folding readers. What we like. Elevate your style while maintaining clear vision. These feature a fashionable design and come with a premium leather case for a touch of sophistication. If you're looking for reading glasses that complement your personal style and offer a luxurious feel, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The glasses are lightweight and comfortable to wear. The folding design makes them easy to carry in a pocket or purse. The lenses are clear and provide good magnification. Number 1. 3-pack folding reading glasses with keychain case. Tired of? These readers feature blue light blocking technology to protect your eyes from digital screens. Enjoy clearer vision and reduced eye strain. Crafted with spring hinges for a comfortable and secure fit, these glasses are built to last. They offer durability without compromising on style. Available in classic black, gray, and blue, they complement any style. Get a pack of 3 to keep a pair wherever you go. Never be without your reading glasses again. The included keychain compact bags make them easy to carry and protect. Experience sharp, clear vision with these powerful readers. They provide the magnification you need, exactly when you need it. What we like. Get incredible value with this multi-pack offering. It includes keychain bags for easy attachment and comes in various colors to suit your mood or outfit. If you want convenience, variety, and a great deal, this pack is perfect for keeping a pair handy wherever you go. What people say. Lightweight and easy to keep in my small purse. These are great and they don't take up any space and are lightweight. They do work great too. So handy to have and live that there are 3. I have one attached to my phone case, keys and one in the car. Always have eyes if I forget a pair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.